Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to create children's storybook character, and it's pretty simple to do nowadays, as we have AI tools, and it's not that hard to create one. So first of all, today I'm going to show you how to create one using ChatGPT. It's one of the ways to do this, to create a character, how it looks like, and so on. And we will try to find a pictures for this character on Creative Fabrica or even on Canva, but you may not find one, so you will also need to use AI for this, like Midjourney or something like that, but it costs like $10 per month now, but I'm not gonna show you that today. We will try to find one on Canva or on Creative Fabrica, something similar that ChatGPT will generate. So now what we want to ask for ChatGPT, you click here on new chat, or you just send a message here. So let's write down, please create a character for children's storybook, and let's click enter. Let's see what Luna, the curious explorer. Luna is a small, fluffy, lavender-colored bunny with big, expressive periwinkle eyes. So let's try to find a small, fluffy, lavender-colored bunny on, for example, Create Fabrica. But as you can see, the ChatGPT just created a character for you. Nobody is using it, so you can actually create a story about it. You have skills, background, personality, and appearance. So for appearance, of course, you will need to dig in deeply, and if you won't find it, you will then can create a new character, or you can use Midjourney, for example, AI tool, which will create a full storybook pictures for you with this small, fluffy, lavender colored bunny. So let's try to find bunny, lavender, or let's try to find purple bunny. Let's write down just bunny. Of course, it's really hard to find one in a lavender color, but of course you can actually change the whole story. So for example, you can do a not a lavender colored, but something else, and just change it, and that's it. So for example, bunny clip art. So here it is. You can actually try to use this one, but this commercial license is not for print on demand. We need just for print on demand. So for example, we can choose actually this one, Christmas bunny, download it and use it for our storybook. Now for our storybook, I'm just gonna upload those clip art. And for example, you're gonna create a storybook with this bunny. You can add some elements on it. You can also find ones on Creative Fabrica in watercolor as this bunny. I'm gonna leave the Creative Fabrica link in the description below. They're having a sale now for only $5 a month. You can have a subscription on Creative Fabrica, or you can also take a yearly access. So for example, we're gonna use this bunny, but we of course gonna change the color of this bunny. Also, she wears something like that. We can also change that, but of course I suggest always to use AI like Midjourney, to create that character, which is written right here, because it will look different. Nobody will have your character. It will be generated by AI, completely new. And yeah, so yeah guys, that's how you create a character for your children's storybook. And if this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Bye.